Hey guys, the next in line in this low carb fufu meals series is Cabbage Fufu. This is tailored to those on a low carb diet, but remember, anyone who wants to reduce his or her carbohydrates intake can enjoy it. I am not on any special diet, but I can eat these low carb fufu meals while still eating rice and other classic fufu meals. They help you reduce your carbs intake without you missing out on swallow meals. We'll be using 1 medium cabbage. We all know that cabbage is a vegetable that does not have starch, so you can't mold it into fufu balls. Because of that, we will need a low carb binder. One of such binders is Psyllium husk. It is a popular binder in the ketogenic diet world. Another binder you can use is Xanthan Gum. Xanthan Gum is used mostly in baking, but it also works well with binding the cabbage. I'll use both of them in this video and give you a feedback on the texture. Please though, read up on these ingredients so that you will be sure that they are good for you before you use them. To make the cabbage fufu, chop the cabbage all up. Blend with just enough water to get your blender moving. When done, pour into a muslin bag. You can also use a washed brand new pillowcase. Wring it, then place heavy objects on it to help press out all the water. I'll use Psyllium husk to bind some and use Xanthan Gum to bind the rest. Put the cabbage in a pot and start stirring. I'm using medium heat. Once it heats up, take a note of the time and stir it steadily for 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of Psyllium husk and keep stirring for another 2 minutes. You will see it coming together like a starchy fufu meal. Take it off the stove and wrap it in a plastic film. This is very important so that it will remain moldable. The texture of cabbage fufu bound with psyllium husk feels more like eba. Next, we will test it with Xanthan Gum. Again, put the cabbage in a pot, and when it heats up, note the time and stir for 5 minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Xanthan Gum. Xanthan Gum is more potent than psyllium husk, so a small quantity gets the job done. Stir for 2 more minutes, then wrap it up as well. The Xanthan Gum gives the cabbage fufu a softer texture. It feels more like semolina or semovita. If you're on a strict low-carb diet, you must serve it with a low-carb Nigerian soup, such as Ogbono Soup, Okra Soup, vegetable soup, Miyan Kuka, and many more. Full list will be in the description box below the video. But for any other person, you can serve it with any Nigerian soup for swallows. Next, I will share aubergine or eggplant fufu. Bye bye. See you soon.